Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm making something special with our leftovers. Now, I know you don't have leftovers quite yet, but I'll show you what we're doing with ours. Let's get started. So after I put these together, and tonight, come with us, we're gonna be going to Walmart. I'm gonna take a look at some of their Christmas decor. I can't wait. As you can see, I've kind of gotten started, and on Saturday, I will have an extra video for showing you around my house for a DIY and, you know, decor for Christmas. It's gonna be super fun. Plus, I have a live coming up this Saturday at 2 o'clock, so I hope you'll come. So we had Friendsgiving on just a couple days ago, and I have leftovers. So I have enough in freezer bags. I've packed freezer bags full of turkey, because remember I roasted 3 turkeys, for at least 6 meals. And I'm gonna be so happy in the next couple months when I'm like, I don't know what to do, and all we're gonna be doing is eating junk food. So, I have turkey in the freezer. So this is gonna be one of those kind of meals. So all I'm gonna do is chop it up as small as possible, because I'm making like a chicken pot pie with turkey and a biscuit. So it's gonna be a little bit different. So I'm just gonna chop them up, add them to my pan over here with the handle. I know everybody's kind of noticed that a little. So I'm just gonna get those into the pan and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I just added a couple of stalks of celery, but this part is kind of what you feel like you want to eat as in vegetables. So I'm just going to be putting in some leftover kinds of stuff. So I have a can of chicken soup. Remember, I had extras of those. And I love having these in my pantry, especially this time of year. And right now is probably like one of the best times to get it on sale. So we're just going to let that cook through a tiny bit. I might add a little milk depending on how thick it is. If I want to thin it out a tiny bit, I'm going to add a little bit of condensed onion to it and some other veggies. Stay tuned. I had some corn in the freezer already opened and some carrots. So it's like I'm cleaning out the freezer section in my refrigerator. So I'm going to add a little bit of this. I've had to add a little bit of milk. I might add a little more. And I'm also, when this is good and ready, I'm going to add some sharp cheddar, because I did have some leftover from the party. I just add the sharp cheddar. This is a very fast process, friends. So just put what you'd like in it. You have broccoli, put broccoli. You have peas, put peas. So I'm just going to call this like our Thanksgiving leftover biscuits because it is pretty much what it is. So I'm just going to let that kind of cook through a little tiny bit. And then remember, if you watched my haul, I had bought these. These will make the little wells in my muffin pan. Can't wait. This is totally easy. It's just one of the crescent triangles, and then you're just kind of maneuvering it to kind of fill in the muffin tin. Nope, it's so easy. It's no issue really. So we're gonna fill those up with the mixture. So I'll fill them up, get the mixture in, and I might even have to open up another roll. But that's okay because I have 5. Looks like it's going to make 2 full row packets, and I'll get my other pan. These are perfect. They baked at 350 for, about 15 or so minutes, just until the biscuits were cooked. So easy peasy, doesn't even need a recipe, right guys? And then we're just heating up some leftover funeral potatoes. So I use that plate to heat them all up, and then I'm dishing them out. That is like some serious good potatoes. So everybody liked the biscuits. I didn't hear too many complaints, and now we're on our way to Walmart to go check out their Christmas stuff. Yeah, I still have a Thanksgiving wreath up there. Here's that turkey roaster that I used to make all those turkeys last week. What a great price. Ooh, I'm so happy. I found some pillows. That's what I'm looking for. Those are some really nice wreaths. Ooh, look at those ones have antlers on them. It's kind of different. And like Walmart has stepped it up. So here's their assortment of beautiful trees, and we need a new one. So ours is a pre-lit tree, and like hardly any of the lights work. So we'll have to check out after Christmas sales, but yeah, I'm liking the pre-lit ones. So we just came back from Walmart and I got some new little Christmas pillows. And oh, look, there's Jonas. Sup, Jonas? And then some more Christmassy pillows. Aren't they cute? They came out to like about $5.50 each. I'm down with that. I'm also going to be using these pillows in my Saturday collab playlist that you'll have to check out or wait to see, because it's going to be a long playlist of all these different Christmas ideas. Well, I hope that you enjoyed our dinner, what we were having for dinner. We are already using our leftovers up, but let me know in the comments if you host for Thanksgiving or if you go somewhere, and what is the one food that you're looking forward to eating, because isn't it all so good? I mean, I love Thanksgiving. So thanks for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you along. And also click on the notification bell so you'll be first to know when my videos have uploaded. So thanks for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.